This is a kit that I got off of Amazon that helps you remove the little plastic pieces like this from your vehicle. And nowadays your vehicles are made of nothing but these. My truck has quite a few of them, and it actually holds this whole radiator housing in using these little plastic push-ins. And I'm having a hard time getting them out, so I ordered this kit to give me some of these tools that will allow me to get in there and get those removed. So now I'm going to go ahead and use some of these tools to see if I can get the rest of this housing taken off. So to get these little plastic caps like this off, some of these little plastic tools like this have been very helpful to get down in just these little tight spots to get those out. That's why a kit like this is so important, because you got all of these little smaller plastic ones. You've got this big long one. I mean, this made it real easy to pop out a bunch of them that were really easy to access. But when you're getting into those small tight places, these different size little crowbar type things really makes it a lot easier to get your hand in there and get those out. So yeah, this kit, really useful. You can see my hands are filthy. I had to get into the engine bay and get a bunch of those little plastic clips off. I have a small kit that I bought a long time ago that has like 4 tools, but it did not have all of these extra pieces here that let me get down in there. The problem I was having is that kit had some tools, they were longer like this. It wouldn't let me get those tools into the tight spots that I needed. This one did. So the fact that it has all of these extra little plastic pieces like this and this, everything. I mean, I'm sure I'm going to end up using these eventually, but this was great. And for the price, man, everyone that even works on a vehicle, even if you're replacing a window regulator to working on your engine, anything, anytime you got to mess with those little plastic clips, perfect kit for that. So I'm definitely happy I bought it. I think you will be too. And I hope all this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.